These are the elevators at the USF Collins Boulevard parking garage in Tampa, Florida. Let's go down the ground. Impulse Vandal-Resistant buttons. It used to have the regular Impulse, but the buttons got replaced, except not all of them, just the floor buttons, and these four are still original. Here we are at ground. Let's go up to 5. And let's watch the view. We're at 5. Let's go down the ground. Interesting how the call buttons did not get the button replacements, but the inside of the elevator did. I think they moved the 3 braille too. I think it used to be over here. Don't remember for sure. The indicator's completely burned out. Well, actually, no, 2 works. This ground. Yeah, so G and 2 light up, but not the other floors. So we're gonna send this elevator up. Here's a quick view at the shaft, and we're gonna catch the other one. Also interesting how over here the call button is to the left of center. Almost makes it look like this was gonna be the only elevator, and then they added a second one on. You can hear the sick Dover floor passing chimes. So our elevator's here. Door's a little slow. Let's go 5. And let's watch the view. And we're stopping. Alright. Someone got on and got off at 3. I'm just going to do our cab view now and watch the view going down. It's a little low on oil. Indicator on this one's completely burned out. And let's end the video up at 2. Notice how this button, it's actually kind of hard to press. Really need to put in some force or tap it right on the light in the center.